Hello, this is Laura with Mail Media. Today I want to share 2 tips that will help you avoid making mistakes in Gmail. The first feature I want to talk about is Google's feature Undo Send. What it does is that it lets you pull back a message after you've sent it, in case you've made a mistake. By default, Undo Send gives you 5 seconds to make the call, but it's not that much at all. So let me show you how you can change that period. Okay, so I've opened up my email. You go onto the cogwheel, the settings, and then scroll down to see all settings. Here, as you scroll down again, you'll see Undo Send here, and it says send cancellation period 5 seconds, so that's the default option. If you want to change it, you just add 10 seconds, for instance, and go ahead and save changes. The second tip I want to share with you is how to change your reply behavior and how to avoid the dreaded accidental reply or subsequently maybe broadcasting a message that was meant for one person to a larger audience. To do that, settings, scroll down to default reply behavior, either select reply or reply all. Don't forget to go ahead and save your changes. That's it for me. I hope you found this tip useful. If you want to find out more about Mail Media and watch other tutorials, you can click on the link available in the description. Bye.